In this video, we will explore 3 ways to get your money out of Cash App. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so here's the first method where you can cash out on your Cash App. So simply go to any active bank or debit card linked to your account. To cash out in-app, tap the Money tab on your Cash App home screen. You're gonna press Cash Out, choose an amount and press Cash Out. Select a deposit speed. Of course, you need to confirm with your PIN or Touch ID. Now you can also cash out online. All right, that's the next thing we can do. Log in into your Cash App account at cash.app/account. On the left, click Money. Click Cash Out under your cash balance. Choose or enter an amount and click Continue. Of course, you need to select your bank account and deposit speed, then click Cash Out. Now, the third method is simply you can use your cash card to get a cashback at any checkout and withdraw cash from ATMs up to the following limits. So you have like a $1,000 per day, $1,000 per ATM transaction, and $1,000 per week. And the limits reset daily at 7 p.m. CDT, weekly on Saturdays at 7 p.m. CDT, and monthly at 7 p.m. CDT on the last day of the month. Now, to use your cash card to get cashback, select debit at checkout and enter your cash PIN. Cashback transactions will count toward your ATM limits. And of course, you can always check your cash card balance in-app or online. And you are not able to check your balance at the ATM at this time. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.